welcome to Wisdom Warrior Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. And right now, I'm just getting everything ready for the guided meditation. So while you are preparing yourself, make sure you're not doing this guided meditation while you are outside working, driving. Do not do that. Do this when you are at home because you're going to get relaxed. So, with that being said, prepare yourselves and let's get ready for the guided meditation. Welcome, warriors. How you guys doing today? Now we are going to get ourselves ready for our deep guided meditation. So right now, make sure you have your essential oils or incense, that you will not be disturbed, and you are sitting in your comfortable place or you're lying down. But make sure you don't fall asleep. All right. Now we're going to do our breathing exercises to get ourselves relaxed. So allow your eyes to close and remember you are in a safe place. And you're going to take some deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's do that one more time. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Now we're going to do a deeper breathing exercise. So we are going to breathe in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's take another deep breath in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and release. And let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and release. Now, feel the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders soften. Quietly remind yourself, I am safe right now. And while you are feeling safe and secure in this moment, we invite the presence of Archangel Michael. He is the guardian of protection, truth, and energetic boundaries. Now, I want you to imagine a calm, steady blue light surrounding you. This light is not aggressive, it's clear, it is reassuring. And while this beautiful light is around us, I want you to silently say, Archangel Michael, please help me restore clarity, safety, and healthy boundaries. Support me in choosing myself without fear or guilt. Now, while he's around us, I want you to bring your awareness to your solar plexus. This is the center of personal choice and inner authority. Notice any sensation there. There is no need to change it. Now imagine Archangel Michael's blue light gently strengthening this center, not hardening it, not closing it, but stabilizing it. Let this light create a boundary that feels calm, not defensive, clear, not rigid. You may imagine a soft field of light around your body, allowing love and respect in. Now silently saying, I am allowed to choose my capacity. I am allowing to be calm and centered. I am allowed to pause before responding. I am allowed to be clear without over explaining. Now notice how your body responds when permission is given. If emotion arise, allow it. If relief arise, allow that too. Healthy boundaries do not push people away. They create emotional safety. Now, right now, I want us to rest here for a little moment and let's take in some more deep breaths. In through the nose, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. Now, when it feels complete, bring one hand to your heart and say, I trust myself to know what is right for me. Now, at this time, Archangel Michael is still around us, and his blue light is surrounding us, giving us more energy. And also, it's giving us a little protection so that if we feel any people trying to overstep our boundaries, we have this beautiful blue light around to give us that encouragement. Now, right now, I want you to say thank you to Archangel Michael for his beautiful, steady presence. And we're going to slowly bring our awareness back to your breath. Now, notice the room around you. Notice that you are back, safe and secure. And when you are ready, open up your eyes. How does that feel? You feel better? You feel lighter? And that is what we are accomplishing right now because you just reinforced your boundaries. You have the energy to help you at this time. So just remember, you can count on Archangel Michael for assistance if you need. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. And until we meet again, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.